So the next very important thing is how we can run social media campaigns to reach the right customers. So I want to show you something real quick over here. I did some testing. Okay, you can see some of the campaigns. I did 6,000 people were reached, 6,000, 4,000, 20,000. Particular one reached 20,000, and that was a good one. This is a natural post, 2,000. 98,000 people actually saw this campaign. So ask yourself that if you're a web developer or designer and you design a flyer that, hey, I build websites, and you promote it to 90,000 people, okay, you can see the reactions from here, the loves, the likes, and all of that. In total, 233,000 impressions with 98,000, and 8,000 of them actually reacted with a post. Okay, so those who reacted, those who commented, 142, the link clicks, the shares, and other clicks, and all that. So you can see that the post performed very, very well. The post performed very well. So I'm going to take you through some of the factors. Everyone can run a Facebook ad by just going to click on boost and then you boost something. But I'm going to just open up on just a few things that I consider before I run the ads for our business. So, anytime you want to run an ad, we are looking at, first of all, the audience. And the audience depends on the product you want to sell. So, for example, if I want to run an ad, let's say let me one ad up here that this was posted, I think, yesterday. Yeah. There was one ad here. One of the ads did extremely well. Okay, this 20,000. Let's assume that we want to push this ad. Now, the ad is a POS ad, and I think it will be on our. Let me see if I'll find it. This is a different one. Let me see if I'll find the POS flyer. Now, that particular POS flyer is going to a particular audience. Who are these audience? They are definitely going to be above 30 years. Okay, because anyone that has a shop owns a shop at this point and will need a POS is definitely going to be above 30 years of age. So I think this should be the ad. We have 51 reactions and all that. Okay, 51 reactions, 23 comments. All of these people are people who want the system, the features of the system, and all of that. In my subsequent programs, maybe we'll discuss about SaaS business model, where I'll teach you how you can get your own software that you will be selling to people and making some good money. But for now, let's focus on why we are here. So if I want to run any ad like this, I'm looking at people that are above 30. That is the age audience. We're looking at demographics. In which communities will people want to really use POS? I always do Accra, or sometimes randomly I do Western region and a few other world-doing regions. So if I choose Accra, my location is Greater Accra, the whole Greater Accra. Of course, sometimes I'll slim it down to maybe East Legon, Tema, or something. But Greater Accra is the audience location, that's the demographics. We are looking at age. So I would run one campaign. The campaign is something I intend to do later today, but because of this training, I'll just do it now. Advanced accounting software. How to boost post, like most of us know. You just click on boost post and you're good to go. And then when you click on boost post, this thing here, advantage plus creative, means Facebook can maybe deliver a different variation of your creative at a different place, maybe in people's statuses and all that. All right, so this is the preview. I don't want it to have a button called send message. Even though it's a send message, this one I want it to be call now. They should call me directly. Okay. I want to also put my phone number there. 50506496. A phone number there. Automatic. Normally, if you want to do automatic, it means the campaign you're running has to run for a very long time. But if you don't have a long-term budget, like 1 month budget, don't do automatic because the system has to find a lot of time to be able to adjust and give you the results you want. All right, here the audience is the problem. I will try and then create my own audience. Create new audience. The audience name will be web training. I'm selling accounting software, so I'll leave it to men and women. No 18-year-old, 20-year-old, 21-year, 25 will buy accounting software. But those from 30, even the 30 is too small. I have to go from those 35. Sometimes based on the experience of those who have bought it before. So 35 and above. The location here, I will disable this and then search for greater. If you do Accra, it might center you to just one part of Accra. So greater Accra is the best. In worst cases, you can add Western region because you never know. You can also add maybe Eastern, Eastern region. You never know as well. You can add a lot more, maybe Central region and all these things. You can add them to it to be able to maximize your reach. Then from here, if you want advanced features, you can go to Ads Manager. But if you want detailed, you can choose interest and maybe choose based on their demographics, based on their interests, based on their behaviors. So let me see behavior. We can choose behavior like this one. I hope it opens. Nothing has opened yet, but I want to see if we'll find any behavior. I'm not seeing any behavior. Anyway, we can leave that one. Let me see this one. Aha, purchase behavior. Purchase behavior. Purchase with offer. No, not this one. I'm looking for those that are active buyers, people that love to buy, and I can put them in my category. We have work, live events, education, and all that. So here, work as well. Because it's a POS software, some people might want to maybe make some of it become like those who have the job titles, maybe business owner or CEO, because they are the ones that will buy the software or the accounting software. Okay, I can skip all of that. Normally, what I do is I run the first campaign, free will, open the audience, do some $20 to $30. So this one, I'm reaching about close to 2 million people. Okay, so once this has run for like maybe 4 days, for $20 for 4 days or 5 days, because Facebook needs up to 4 days to really understand your campaign. So after the 5 days, then I can, based on the result that I'm getting, to be able to create another campaign, but this time slim it down. After that period, then I can, based on the result that I'm getting, to slim it down further. After that period, I slim it down further in that regard. I'm not using the Facebook pixel, so I'll turn it off. Now, Facebook pixel is a small code you put in there that allows you to be able to give Facebook an access to monitor or track visitor performance or activity on your website, or even track the sales you are getting to your website. So I'm done. Just a wide audience. I want to see the performance. I can go to Boost now. It will add me to credit my account, which I'm not going to do now because I'm not having any active campaigns. Yeah, that's what I was going to say. I'm not going to credit now because I don't have no active campaigns. Neither am I planning to run this right now. So that is just about when I boost and I enter my card, the debit, the ad will run. I prefer you use call now because all those people that call you are serious. You can get 200 messages and two leads, but if you get 5 calls, four of them will convert. Anyone that picks up their phone, wastes their time and airtime to call you, definitely is a serious person. So once that is done and you've seen the result of your ad, once you've seen the results of your ad, I want to go back. You can then, based on that result, to create subsequent campaigns. So let me see the ones that I did that I got the results. The result that you get. So let me go here. I want to choose this one. 25,000 is not bad at all. So I have to see the campaign performance. That's what I'm trying to see. Let me see. Audience. I want to see the campaign performance. All right. So overall on my page, I can see that these people within the ages of 25 to 44, and sometimes these ones too, they all take part. Countries is definitely going to be Ghana majority because Ghana is where most of the campaigns run. So as you can see, Accra, Kumasi, Tema, the big cities. So this can be your target based on the previous campaigns I've done, or even the organic polls that I've made, those who reacted and all that. So it's 76%, 78% women. It means most of the products we offer are for women. Okay, so these are the countries, these are the cities. You can include them when you are running your next campaign. You can just make that inclusion. So based on the result you get at the end of the day, that is what is going to inform the audience you are going to use, how slim your audience is going to be like. It informs how slim your audience is going to be like as well. So basically, that is it. You know how to boost an ad, but you need to play till you hit that level where the results you are getting is massive. There have been times when I run these small campaigns and I get close to 50 messages in a single day. You have to attend to all of them. But when you streamline, okay, if you're able to reduce it, you get only high quality results. So that is it for the social media campaign. There are a lot more you can learn, you can explore by yourself. I will see you in the next video.